Act 3, Scene 1, page number 114, line number 90 onwards. Here, already we have seen Shylock says that it is not a good information he has got from Tobel that Tobel has not done his duty well. He has done the duty not proper satisfaction. Once more, I want to tell you, those who are not interested, please go out. Most of you are coming here for learning something, not for uh, disturbed by you. Clear? Last two lines. Be very careful. Here, Shylock says that it is not a positive answer from Tobel's side. He only went to Genova and collected the information that Jessica and Lorenzo were there. But the duty was to go there and find out them, bring back the wealth she has stolen. That was the duty. But he has not done the duty. So Shylock was not happy about it. Then he says he has lost huge amount of wealth that he should have brought. Either dead body or alive. Anyway, Tobel should have brought Jessica and Lorenzo. It is not necessary that they have to be brought peacefully. Any violence, any way of fight, quarrel, whatever it is needed, that he was allowed to do. But he did not do. He only went there, got the information and came back. Then Tobel told, yes, other men have ill luck too. Antonio, as I heard in Genova, Tobel says that Now Jobel understood that he is going to be harassed by Antonio. Antonio has the right to harass him because Shylock has already spent money, huge amount of money to find Lorenzo and Jessica. So Shylock has the right to ask, where are they? How you have done your duty? This all matter he can ask. Jubal is having no positive answer. So Jubal understood that he will be harassed and insulted. So he tried to turn the attention towards some other matter. Shylock is very happy to know that Antonio is not in a proper situation to enjoy happiness. If it is informed, Shylock will be very happy. Means Shylock happiness is Antonio's unhappiness. So Jobel turned his attention, whose attention? Shylock's attention towards Antonio's failure. So he told that Antonio, as I heard in Genoa, from Genoa I have got an information. That information is not favorable for Antonio. Antonio is in trouble. If Antonio is in trouble, who will be happy? Shylock will be happy. Then that same example I will tell you from your life. If you get very less mark in one particular subject, or mathematics or English or any serious subject, if you get less mark, it will be very difficult for you to inform at home. To parents, I have got very less mark. It is very difficult to say. What will be your first statement? In our class, very less students passed in this particular subject. And you may not say about your mark. Your mark is less. The student who stood first in the class also get very less mark. Indirectly, what do you want to say? My mark is less. That directly, if you say, you may be insulted and harassed, and parents may ask the reason. So many matter will be there. The introduction, as an introduction, you may say that subject itself is very difficult, not only for me, for all the students, it is very difficult. So I also get less mark. The same only Jobel told, divert the subject. He has not done the duty well. That he didn't say first. He told that Antonio is in a very difficult situation. Antonio is very unhappy. Antonio's business failed. Means Shylock's attention will be towards what? Antonio and his matters. Then Shylock's what? Ill luck. What ill luck has happened? What is the ill luck? What is the misfortune happened in his life? He wants to know. Tobel had an Argosy had cast away coming from Tripolis. There was a cargo ship coming from Tripolis. Tripolis, another important famous city. From that city, ship was coming on the way. It sank into the sea. Shylock, I thank God. Underline that. I thank God. For what purpose he thanked God? For what purpose he thanked God? It is for a negative matter, not for any benefit we have got. We also may have the habit of such a prayer. A prayer consists of 5 facts or 5 steps should be there for a proper prayer. The first step, do you know what it is? To worship God. First step. Second step is to thank God. Third step, to pray for other people, including parents, teachers, and other related people. And for all those who are on earth, means generally, particularly related people. That means pray for others. Fourth is Pray for the departed souls. Means our related or you here. Get up from there. Yes. You. You get up. Get up. What's your problem? Here you look at it. Same class students are sitting, but here they are attentively sitting. You are talking and making disturbance. Stop. I know. I don't want your explanation. As I am keeping the class, still I know I can see properly. There is no problem of that. As it is a story continues, if it is not told, that continuity will not be there. So both of you come forward. Take your book and come. Come forward, fast. Stay there. Stand there. Shh. Get up. Stand there. Face there. Face there. Oh, you also go there. So, a proper prayer, four step is told. Fifth step is pray for ourselves. For our matter, we have to pray fifth step only. That is the unimportant part. Which one is unimportant part? Pray for ourselves. For our matter is the fifth step. That is unimportant one. Why it is unimportant? Because God already knows what we want, what is our need, all God knows. And then you may ask other four step, God knows or not. But our consideration, we consider our other people, we consider God's creation and His uh, way of taking care. This all we remember that God consider. So these are the five steps for a proper prayer. Which are the five steps? Worship God, thanks God, pray for our, other people, pray for the departed soul, then pray for our matter. Last matter is not at all important. But what we pray, only last part is our part. Is it? Our prayer consists of the last part. So our prayer is not the proper way, improper prayer. But what is opposite of prayer that he has done here? Never do such a prayer. Which one? What Shylock did. What Shylock did there? Expressed his happiness for others' defeat, others' failure. If I got out of 80, if I got 10 mark, I may be sad. Then next student, nearby student, he got 3 mark. Very good. Means I may not pass never. Why? Because my mentality is to insult others. I am not worried about the 10 mark I have got. Which one made us happy? The 3 mark the nearby student got. That is why I am very happy. The same only Shylock told. I thank God. It should not be really a matter to thank God. It never, we should not do this type of prayer in our life. I thank God. I thank God. Is it true? Is it true? If the information is right, I am very happy and I want to tell you thanks to you that he told the Tobel. I spoke with some of the sailors that escaped the wreck. There was a proof for it. Antonio's ship wrecked. There is a proper proof. What is the proper proof? Some of the get up from there. Back. Go back. Go back. Stand there. Stand there. What is the proof? Some of the sailors escaped from the wrecked ship, and escaped from means might have used some lifeboat or something like that. Safety measures they might have used, and they might float on the surface of the sea through that place whose ship reached. The ship which Jewel was traveling. That ship passed through, and the ship saved them. Saved whom? The people, those who were escaped from Antonio's ship. So it is clear. They told that our ship sank into the sea, and we escaped from there, and we are here in your ship. So to my words, we have clear proof. What is the proof? Tubal says. Then one more matter is there. What is the effect of the prayer? If we do proper prayer, now or then, the time we cannot say, but now or then, we may get the result of the prayer. If we pray positive way, result also will be positive. If we do a negative prayer means unnecessary thanks. If we say, what may happen? Same negative effect we may have. The same happened here. Shylock delivered a wrong way of prayer. Because of that wrong way of prayer, he immediately got the negative effect. What is the effect? Look at it. Your daughter spent in Genoa, as I heard, in one night, 80 ducats. One score means 20. Four score means 80 ducats per day. Means, according to our calculation, we can say 80,000 rupees per day. Is it painful for Shylock? Earlier, what he thought that he is going to get maximum happiness because Antonio is an utter failure, and more failure will be listened to. But Tubal himself understood that he is going to be a failure, and his lost money he may not get back. Shylock, thou strikest a dagger in me. It is better to use a knife or sword on me. That is better than that of such information. This information is more painful than using a dagger. I shall never see my gold again. I understand that I will not see the stolen money, stolen wealth again. Fourscore ducats at a sitting. Fourscore ducats at a sitting is, you know that the star hotels, we go and take room in star hotels. The 3 time, 4 time food may not be. Booking consists of either breakfast or dinner. Only one. That is why one sitting it is told. They reach the hotel in the evening, and the dinner they may have. That means dinner and night stay. Charge is 80,000. 80 ducats means 80,000 rupees. Your paper don't write like that. It is only for your understanding. I told you. Anyway, that much huge amount is for only one time food and stay. Tobel, there came divers of Antonio's creditors in my company to Venice, that sir, he cannot choose but break. Then Tobel understood that again, and Shylock is sad, and he may blame Tobel again. So he diverted his attention towards Antonio again. He says that so many people were traveling with home, with Tobel to Venice, and there were the creditors of Antonio. Creditors of Antonio means Antonio borrowed money or things from these people. Then another question is there. Earlier in the first act, third scene, it was told Antonio had no habit of borrowing or lending money. That was told. Here it is told he already borrowed. Then which one should be believed? Which one is the right one? The first statement was right, or now at present which one is right? Both are right. Which way it is? For interest, for collecting interest, he had no habit of borrowing and lending money. But for his business purpose, he borrowed things and money to continue his business. Means all the businessmen were not able to keep ships with them. Small scale businessmen. These small scale businessmen sought the support of Antonio's ship. So they may send the things by using Antonio's ship. And when the ship come back with the profit, there will be a rent or something like that will be given to Antonio, and the remaining part of the profit will be the businessman's profit. But now that same businessman heard that Antonio's ship sink into the sea. Then they try to justify themselves. We send our things. Ship was yours. And the ship sink into the sea means you have to take the responsibility. Who has to take? Antonio has to take the responsibility. The things we sent should be given me back. That Antonio was unable to. But he had some saving, some property, some wealth that he distribute among these small scale businessmen. That only he told. It is not about borrowing money or lending money. For the business purpose, some other businessmen helped him. That businessman asked money back. That Antonio is responsible to give. That means how much saving he is having at present, that also will be taken away. Then last 2 lines and all 2 lines. Get up. One more, last one. Stand up there. Do you want to study anything? If you don't want, go. Permission will be given. Go from here. That is what. You get up from there. Come forward. Take another seat. Get up. Come here, this side. So look, I am very glad of it. I am very happy to listen to it. Which one? Antonio's business failed. Second it is told Antonio's ship. First matter is Antonio's ship sink into the sea. Second is some saved money. He has already saved money with the help of earlier business. That also will be taken away by other creditors and other businessmen. That means he may not have any such saving from his business. So Shylock is again very happy. I am very glad of it. Again, wrong way of expressing thanks. I will plug him. I will torture him. I am glad of it. I am very happy about it, and I may have the proper opportunity to plug him or torture him. Means I can take legal action easily. If I take legal action now, what may happen? He may return 3,000 ducats with the help of his saving. But now he is unable to, because he has no saving at all. It is the easy way for me to take the proper legal step. Go back to your seat. Go back. Then Shylock says, I am very glad of it. I will plague him. I will torture him. I am glad of it. I am very happy because I am able to take legal action easily, and Antonio may not be able to save himself from such a legal step because he has no saving as his own. Then Tubal, one of them showed me. Just I told you, whenever expresses happiness on others' misdeeds or mishappenings. If we express our happiness, immediately we may be unhappy. The same happened here. One of them showed me a ring that he had of your daughter for a monkey. There was a traveler, and he had the habit of keeping monkeys as domestic animal. Means he was taking care of it and giving training. Such a monkey was with him, and Jessica looked at it. Jessica was very happy to buy it. When he was ready to sell it, she handed over a diamond ring. Who handed over? Jessica handed over a diamond ring. Is it a happy information for Shylock? It's a very sad incident because Shylock says that out upon her, she should be ashamed of this matter. Thou torturest me. You are really torturing me. Tubal, it was my turkeys. It was my turkeys. Means it was my special diamond. How it is? I had it. That means it is color is blue and green mixed color. From one direction, it may be looked as green, but the other direction, if we look at it, it may be blue. Like that, bluish green color, and it is special one. So I had it of when I was a bachelor. Before his marriage, whose marriage? Shylock's marriage, means marriage already fixed. And who was the would-be wife? Leigh was the would-be wife, and he went to visit her. During his first visit, as a first gift. She handed over this diamond ring, and he was very happy to keep it. I had it of late when I was a bachelor. I would not have given it for a wilderness of monkeys. It is better to stop teaching. Is it? Sit down all.